Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Google Antigravity for beginners. To get started, open the Antigravity software on your device. Once it launches, give yourself a moment to look over the main interface. If you're new to the platform, this first screen can feel a little busy, but don't worry. In this walkthrough, we're simply getting familiar with the key sections you'll use most often. After the software is open, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Explorer. This area is typically where you can browse files and project content, so it's often the first place users visit when orienting themselves inside the workspace. Opening Explorer helps you understand how the software is organized and where your working materials are located. Next, click on Code Search. This section is useful for finding specific code, terms, or references within a project. Even if you're just beginning, it's helpful to know where this feature lives because it can save time later when you need to locate something quickly across multiple files. From there, click on Source Control. This is the area generally associated with tracking changes and managing version history. For beginners, the important thing right now is simply recognizing its location in the navigation so you can return to it when you begin working with saved changes or collaborative projects. Continue by clicking on Run and Debug. This section is commonly used when you want to test how code behaves or troubleshoot issues. Even if you're not debugging yet, opening it now helps build familiarity with the tools available in the interface. Next, click on Remote Explorer. This section is typically used for viewing or connecting to remote environments. As a beginner, you may not use it right away, but knowing where it is can be helpful as your workflow becomes more advanced. After that, click on Extension. This area is where you can explore add-ons or enhancements for the software. Extensions can expand what the platform can do, so it's a good idea to become aware of this section early, even if you're not ready to install anything yet. Finally, click on Testing. This section is usually related to running and reviewing tests within your project environment. For new users, the main goal is to understand that testing has its own dedicated area, making it easier to access when you need it. By the end of this quick tour, you should have a better sense of where the major navigation items are located inside Google Antigravity. Taking a few minutes to click through these sections is a simple but effective way to build confidence and become more comfortable using the software.